How often should I clean my slushie machine? Lee here from the Slushie Specialists. We recommend to partake in regular cleaning regime to ensure your machine is well maintained and your product is always kept fresh. For sugar-based slushies mixed with water, we recommend cleaning at least once a fortnight. For fruit juice-based slushies mixed with water, we recommend cleaning once a week. For frappes, such as iced coffee and iced chocolate, mixed with milk, we recommend a more frequent cleaning process, ideally once every 3 to 5 days. The first couple of days of having this product in the machine is when the flavour is the most intense. The longer it's in the machine, the fluffier, paler and less flavoursome the product will become. When cleaning, it is important to take the machine apart and to use food grade lubricant on the appropriate parts before reassembling. We would do this every time that we pull the machine apart. We hope you found this helpful. If we can be of any further assistance, please reach out and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.